Hi guys, it's Miss Sam from Only again. Today we're going to be making a recycled bird feeder. And what you're going to need for this activity is you're going to need a pipe cleaner or a shoelace or a string, something that you can hang. If you use a string, you might want to add some tape around the edge, make it a little easier to thread. You're also going to need some cereal. Things like Cheerios work best because they have the hole, or Fruit Loops. I'm using Kix cereal. It's a little stale, so it's going to thread easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to bend if you're using a pipe cleaner, bend it into a circle. And then you can put your cereal onto your pipe cleaner however you want it. Mine has different shapes and colors, so I'm going to kind of make a little pattern here. So that could be another fun thing, is you can count them, you can make patterns if your thing has different colors. And if you break a piece or two, it's okay. The birds will like it anyway. And then when you're done, we have a ring of cereal, and you can take it and hang it out on a tree branch, and the birds will come to enjoy your yummy treat. All right, don't forget to take pictures of you making your bird feeder and send them to Miss Jackie so that we can feature them in our weekly s'mores. All right, so this is what I have so far. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm done, I'm just gonna twist it like this. And I'm gonna go hang it out in a tree. All right, see you guys later. Bye.